Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn 4 ways to use conditional statements in Ruby. Number 1, the if-else statement. In this example, I'm checking if the value of a is greater than 5, then print a is greater than 5, else if the value of a is greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 5, then print a is between 1 and 5, else print a is negative. Number 2, you can use the if statement without else. On line 16, I'm printing b is not nil if b. The if condition will evaluate to true if b is not set to nil. Number 3, you can also use the unless statement, which evaluates to true if the condition is false. The statement on line 21 will print c is nil when c is set to nil. You can also pair the unless statement with else, just like we did with if. Here, if I assign 1 to c, then we should see c is not nil in the output. Last but not the least, number 4, the case statement. Here, when the value of d is set to 0, d is 0 will be printed. When it's between 1 and 10, d is in between 1 and 10 will be printed. Else, d is in unknown range will be printed. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.